Hello everyone, it's me Asif and welcome to another exciting video tutorial. It is easy to transfer files between Android devices and Windows because you won't be needed any application or anything else. Just plug in the USB cable to your Windows and you're good to go. But on the terms of macOS, it is not easy as Windows because you'll be needed third-party application. So today I'll be showing you from where you can download this application and how to use it. So let's not waste any more time and jump over to the tutorial. As I have said before, to transfer the files between macOS and Android device, we'll need to download an application. To download the application, first I'm going to open up my browser and type in the address bar android.com/filetransfer. When the page is loaded, you guys can see that this is an official Android website. Anyways, we are going to click the download button to download the file transfer application. It is a small file a size of almost 4 megabytes. It don't take too much time. Okay, when the download is complete, we're going to open up the downloaded disk image. To open up the disk image, first I'm going to the download location, right click on the disk image and select open. When it's open, I'm going to drag and drop this file transfer application to the application folder. For now, it's done on the macOS. Now, I'm going to my Android device. Let's continue from there. After we are on our Android device, we need to enable USB debugging. So first thing that we're going to do is turn on the developer option. To do that, I'm going to settings and then about phone. In this page, we are going to click on this bill number for 7 times. It may ask your PIN or password to enable this developer option. Go ahead and enter your PIN or password. Congrats, you have just enabled the developer option. Now we have to go to the system settings to find the developer option, which we have just enabled. And then go to the developer option, scroll down to the USB debugging option and enable it. After that, connect your Android device to your macOS using USB cable like you would have done on your Windows. We're done here on Android device. Let's continue from Mac. Alright, now we are here on our Mac. So we're going to open Android file transfer application from the launchpad. Here I'm going to click open to continue. As you can see, this application is kinda similar to a file manager. From here, you will be able to manage your Android device files and folders. To set up an example, we're going to copy a file from Android device to our Mac and also a file from Mac to Android device. First, I'm going to copy a file from the documents folder of this Android device to my desktop. As you can see, the file is copied with a simple drag and drop. When it's done, I'm going to create a folder on this Android device and name it test. I'm going to open up my test folder and then copy the image from my desktop to the test folder. As you can see, it is too easy to use. Just some simple drag and drop. I hope this video is going to help you guys. If it does, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have anything to know, please put a comment below. Thank you. See you guys on the next one. Till then, sayonara.